In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product personalization options to Shopify. Personalized products can make a big difference to your store, letting customers add names, choose colors, upload images, or select special features right on the product page. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find and install a trusted app that makes personalization simple, without touching code. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, head down to Settings. This is your control center for store-wide preferences, and it's the quickest path to the tools we need. Make sure you're signed in with a staff account that has permission to manage apps. If you don't, you might not see the options we're about to use. Inside Settings, click on Apps. Depending on your interface, this may appear as Apps and Sales Channels. This section shows everything you've already installed and is also where you can discover new tools. Next, select Shopify App Store. This opens the marketplace in a new tab where you can browse vetted apps that extend your store's functionality. If you're prompted, confirm you want to leave the admin so the store can open the App Store. In the App Store search bar, type Customize Product and press Enter. This keyword pulls up apps built specifically for personalization, things like text fields, dropdowns, color swatches, and conditional logic that shows or hides options based on what a shopper selects. From the results, click on Globo Product Options variant. It's a popular option for creating unlimited product options and add-ons, and it supports a wide range of field types. Before installing, take a moment to review the listing carefully. Read through the overview to understand what it offers, and scan the screenshots or demo to see how options appear on a product page. Check whether it supports features you care about, such as text inputs, image uploads, conditional rules, price add-ons for extras, and whether it passes personalization details through to the cart and order. Look at the pricing section for any trial details, review the ratings for recent feedback, and confirm it's compatible with your current theme. Also glance at the support information so you know where to get help if you need it. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will show a permissions screen and any applicable charges. Review those details, approve the install, and you'll be taken back to your admin with the app added to your apps list. That's it. You've found and installed a product personalization tool for your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.